Welcome back to my channel Tamalika's Dreamland, and it is me Tamalika. So today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make slime without activator or glue. So let's start. So friends, for this we will need color. It is optional. I have to powder color because it's very easy to mix. You can take any color. Then flour or maida. I have took some salt, water, a spoon, and definitely a bowl, and a glue. Leave it away. Okay, so now let's start. So first we are going to put some maida in the bowl. Now we will put a tiny bit of water. If you put a lot of water, then it will not work. So I will put it through a spoon. That shall be enough. Going to now close this. Now friends, I am going to take my spoon and mix my thing. Now I'm going to, I think I need to add a little bit of more water. But before that, I will put my color in here. I'm taking green color. I think I will need a little bit more water. But if you add a lot of water, then your thing will not work. Now I will get this. I will start mixing it again. You can see friends, it's getting stuck to my spoon, and that means that this solution is working. I think the color I have to add a little bit more. I have put a lot of color because I really like this green color and I really want it to be with my slime. Okay, so now after this we are going to put some salt so that it gets stuck together nicely. Okay. I'm going to keep on mixing it so that it turns out in a nice way. My color is a little bit not working. Oh, I got some slime in my hands. Okay, so now our slime is ready. Now you have to just let it dry for a minute, and then it's going to be perfect. You can add a bit of water if you want, but don't add a lot of water, because if you add a lot of water, then your whole thing is going to be ruined up. A little bit. Yeah, that shall be enough. I'll put that back. Close my bottle. Now I'm going to again go ahead and mix it up. And now it's going to be more stretchy and it's going to be more like slime. Can you see, friends? You just have to keep mixing that up. so it will take you a lot of time to mix it up. You can see that the color is very nice. It is an aqua type of color, and this is what I really love. What's your favorite color? Comment that down below. So now I'm going to look into this matter. Okay, the water, the amount of water that I've gave is very perfect, and this is how it's supposed to be. Now we are going to keep on mixing it, and if you want you can add glue, but after you add the glue it's going to turn into a mess. So I'm still mixing this. Okay, so if your slime is in this condition, then what you need to add is hair oil. So I will add hair oil to it, and if you add hair oil to your slime, it's going to smell nice and it's going to stick together easily. I'll add a little bit of salt to it. So now you have to keep mixing it for a while. You can see that it is working. It will take you a lot of time, so you have to have a lot of patience for this. You have to put a lot of this. And now the thing that I am putting this hair oil is because it needs to stick together. You see. So now we are still mixing this. Okay, so now it's perfect. Now what we need to do is we need to keep this dried. Now when it's going to be dried, this is going to be a complete slime. So you can see that it's like that. So you have to keep it like this, and then you have to let it dry for a second, and then it's gonna work. So I'm going to meet you guys when this is going to be dried up and it's gonna be perfect. So see you guys then. Okay guys, so it has been like 20 minutes. So I'm going to store my slime in this Play-Doh bowl that I have. So I'm going to put this in here inside, that you can see. We'll put this aside. You can see the thing. Here is the slime. Okay, let me play it and let me show you. So as you can see, differently said I moved to a different place. So this is my slime for 20 minutes. So this is the output. You can see that it's very neat, and this is very amazing. I have just added it, so now it's very glossy too, as you can see. Now I've added hair oil, as I've showed you, and for after like 20 minutes my slime is ready. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video guys, please like and please subscribe to my channel to help us out. So this is all for today. You can see my slime and bye bye, but you can still see me play and enjoy. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave out. Bye. Ta-da! See you in my next video.